Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix packet burst issue in Black Ops 6 on PC. You might facing the connection issues and packet bursts, which is very frustrating. So let's fix it. So here we are on our screen. Now there are some essential ways to fix this issue. The first is to right-click into Call of Duty. Go to the properties and click on Installed Files. Here you can see the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Just verify this. It fixes the issue a lot of times. Now, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing you can do is click Browse option on the top. And now search for code.exe. Right-click into this, go to Properties and then Compatibility, and then run this program in the compatibility mode and also as administrator. By doing this in many cases it fixes the issue. Now, if issue continues, go to search bar and search for network connections. You will see this pop up. Now right-click on which connection you have. I have Ethernet, so click on it and go to Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4 T/IP4. Go to Properties. Now change the DNS server from automatic to manual and do these settings. Press OK and then close. The other way to fix it is, go to search bar again and type network reset. There is a section where you essentially reset your network connection. So yeah, we just basically reset the network from here and see if it fixes the issue. Okay, so last thing to fix it is back into the search bar, type in CMD and run as administrator. Once we have this, type ipconfig /DNS. It flushes the overcache. Now you can restart the computer and then try the game. You should not have this issue any longer. I hope it resolves the issue. And if the problem continues even after doing this, please let me know in the comments section. See you in next video. Bye.